Right, first up, saving. Saving just happens all the time without you asking, even if you don't name your files. But you can see all changes are already saved. It's constantly trying to update into the cloud. It's really robust. There is a little visual cue here. See this little cloud? If it doesn't have a tick in it, it'll have a little arrow going round and round like it's working. Okay, and it's basically just always saving. Every time you move something, don't have to do anything, it's saved. If it crashes, which it doesn't tend to do, okay, it will be fine. You'll be able to reopen it where you left off. It's pretty magic. The next thing is naming your file. So up the top here, mine's called reopening. I didn't name it reopening. It started off as untitled. Okay, reopening grabbed it from there. It just tries to grab something from your document to give it a name. So to replace the name, watch this. If I click on it and hit delete, okay, and click out of it, it's now called untitled. And how I name my documents is this. This is the structure that a lot of designers use, the one that I prefer. Client name, campaign, project version. So in here, I work on multiple clients. Okay, so I'll put in, my one's Fox at the moment, and I use hyphens to separate the different chunks of here, just so that it's easy to find later on. I can find the client that I'm working on. I don't have to put the full name, just something that I understand. So Fox is the client. The campaign that I'm working on is our reopening campaign. Okay, and the next one might be the summer sale. It might be launching that new product. Okay, so put a little hyphen in. The project name, okay, this one's Instagram. I'll have another one with a very similar, then I put the version over the end. So client name, easy. I'll have Fox. You might be doing, like I do a lot of work for my company, Bring Your Own Laptop. It'll start with Bring Your Own Laptop or BYOL, okay? And then the name of the campaign. And then this one's interesting because in other documents, you might have Instagram, Facebook. Like if you're using Photoshop, I would keep Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, all the different kind of like social ads that I'm making in the one Photoshop document. You can't do that in Canva, mainly because you can't have different size pages in one design. So I couldn't have like a horizontal long one. Okay, I couldn't have a US letter or an A4 document in here as well. I have to have separate ones. I'd have Fox reopening, maybe workbook if it was that US letter. I'll have another one that might say Facebook or Pinterest, depending if the sizes are different. Now this one here, V1, it's pretty easy. Version, okay, I'll send this off to the client, come back, get version 2, 3, okay. Okay, so just start off with a V at the beginning, a version 1. It'll just make organizing your designs a lot easier. You